Good evening runners! Today is Saturday at ito ay ating week 2 day 4 ultra marathon training. So may pinaghahandaan tayong karera na 60 kilometers. So these past few days, ang mga activities natin is mostly hiking. Last week, ang weekly mileage natin is around 70 kilometers. So ngayong week 2 natin, nakaka 10 kilometer pa lang yung weekly mileage natin, pero at least nag-gain naman tayo ng at around 1,500 elevation gain. So today ang run natin ay easy run lang dahil medyo masakit pa yung legs natin sa hirap ng climb na inakyat natin. I think more than 2,000 meters above sea level kasi yung bundok na yun. So tara, takbo tayo. So this is the second week of our ultra marathon training. So paunti-unti nag-increase ulit tayo ng mileage kasi yung first week ng August kakatapos lang natin ng full marathon. So for today mag-increase tayo ng mileage para sa pinaghahandaan nating race na 60 kilometers. So tara, let's push pa. What's up? Good evening! Tapos na yung ating easy run for today. So 5 kilometers lang dahil bukas Sunday naman, and then kapag Sunday yun ay ating long run. So long run tayo bukas. So check natin kung ilang kilometers yung kaya nating takbuhin bukas para at least makahabol tayo sa weekly mileage natin.